My video is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts related to the site desperdhub.com. So some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups by desperdhub.com. These pop-ups are totally fake and obviously deceptive. And of course, you should not interact with them. Don't click on the allow button as they tell you to click. It's a mistake because your browser in this case will be hijacked and infected with plenty of advertisements that would be attacking your screen from time to time in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow button, you should definitely fix your browser. Access the menu, go to settings, choose privacy and security, then site settings, go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. Remove this malicious site from the list. I would also recommend investigating your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.